Welcome to Luxury Rides 2030. Imagine stepping into a vehicle so luxurious it feels more like a rolling palace than a motorhome. Every inch of this masterpiece was crafted with precision, taking over 2 years of design and engineering. The wheels alone, imported from the world's finest manufacturers. Yes, the same kind of wheels you see on supercars worth millions. And today on Luxury Wheels TV, you're about to witness the top 5 luxury motorhomes that most people could only dream of owning. From Bugatti's hypercar-inspired elegance to BMW's German engineering, these vehicles redefine what it means to travel in ultimate style. First up, the Bugatti motorhome. This isn't just a vehicle, it's a masterpiece on wheels. The exterior is sculpted with precision, featuring sleek curves, glossy metallic paint, and LED strips that shimmer like jewels at night. Designers spent over 2 years perfecting every detail, from the body panels to the hidden compartments. The wheels are imported from Europe, engineered to carry the enormous weight while maintaining stability and smoothness on any road. Step inside, and you're greeted by a 360-degree panoramic lounge, circular sofas, ambient neon lighting, and a cockpit that looks straight out of a spaceship. Every button, every dial, every surface is custom-made, reflecting the luxury and innovation Bugatti is famous for. The kitchen features marble countertops, high-end appliances, and a mini fridge capable of storing gourmet delicacies. The bedroom? A king-sized bed with climate-controlled comfort. Even the entertainment system is unlike anything you've seen, with 360-degree surround sound and a hidden projection screen for a cinematic experience. Price tag? Well, this isn't for most people, but it's a dream realized on wheels. Next, the Lamborghini motorhome. Known for aggressive, sharp designs, it's a beast that combines speed aesthetics with luxury living. Each body panel was meticulously crafted, taking months of engineering to perfect the aerodynamics while maintaining the signature Lamborghini flair. Inside, the lounge is inspired by supercar cockpits, carbon fiber accents, leather seating, advanced lighting systems, and a home theater setup that rivals a cinema. Engineers and designers spent over 2 years refining the interior layout, ensuring both beauty and functionality. Rooftop solar panels provide eco-friendly power, while the high-tech dashboard allows full control over climate, lighting, and entertainment. The Lamborghini motorhome isn't just about looks, it's a statement that luxury, speed, and technology can coexist in one extraordinary machine. Now, let's look at Mercedes, a brand synonymous with luxury, reliability, and innovation. The exterior combines elegance with futuristic touches, featuring sleek LED accents, alloy wheels, and handcrafted finishes. Every line, curve, and detail took 2 years of design refinement, ensuring the vehicle performs as beautifully as it looks. Inside, the Mercedes motorhome is a haven of comfort, a smart lounge with touchscreen controls, ambient lighting that adapts to your mood, and a kitchen equipped with state-of-the-art appliances. The sleeping quarters provide climate-controlled beds, ensuring restful nights no matter where you travel. Mercedes's engineers also integrated advanced autopilot and safety systems, making long journeys effortless and safe. This motorhome represents precision, innovation, and unmatched luxury, a perfect blend for travelers who demand the best. Next up, the Ford motorhome. Ford brings a unique mix of rugged durability and luxury, proving that practicality and extravagance can coexist. Engineers spent years testing aerodynamics, ride stability, and weight distribution, ensuring the vehicle is as smooth as it is powerful. Inside, every detail screams comfort: premium leather seating, high-end appliances, and smart control panels. The wheels are imported and precision-engineered, able to carry the massive weight while maintaining smooth rides across highways or rough terrain. The The Ford Motorhome also offers multi-zone entertainment, ambient lighting, and fully equipped bathrooms for ultimate convenience. It's the perfect vehicle for those who want practicality without compromising luxury. Finally, the BMW Motorhome, the epitome of German engineering and modern design. Every surface, curve, and fixture took over 2 years of research and development to ensure perfection. The exterior is sleek with LED accents, aerodynamic body, and imported high-performance wheels that ensure flawless handling. Step inside, and it's like entering a luxury yacht. Soft leather seats, wood trims, ambient lighting, and a cockpit designed like a futuristic command center. The lounge offers panoramic views, a full entertainment system, and a kitchen equipped for gourmet meals on the go. Even the bedroom and bathrooms are meticulously designed for comfort and elegance, showcasing BMW's dedication to luxury. Let's compare these masterpieces. Bugatti, ultra-luxury, hypercar-inspired. Lamborghini, aggressive, cinematic interior. Mercedes, futuristic tech with supreme comfort. Ford, rugged luxury meets practicality. BMW, modern engineering and sleek elegance. Each of these motorhomes represents years of design, imported materials, and meticulous craftsmanship. Which one would you choose if money was no object? If you enjoyed this glimpse into the world's most luxurious motorhomes, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Luxury Rides 2030. Tell us which one blew your mind the most, and stay tuned for more vehicles you won't believe exist.